Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your browser. Playing Minecraft in your web browser is a fantastic way to enjoy a classic version of the game without any downloads or installations. This method provides a simplified experience, focusing on creative building. It is ideal for a quick dose of nostalgia or for those who want to try the game's core mechanics easily. You will be building in no time. To begin, open your preferred web browser and use a search engine. Type in phrases like Minecraft Classic Browser or Play Minecraft Online Free. You will find several websites offering a browser-based version, often replicating an original release. Always choose reputable sources to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Many sites offer a 100% free experience. Once you are in the game, the controls are quite intuitive. You will use the W, A, S, D keys to move your character around the world, and the spacebar allows you to jump. To interact with the environment, use your mouse. Left-click to break blocks and right-click to place them. Pressing the B key will typically open your inventory, giving you access to a variety of building materials. Keep in mind that browser-based Minecraft is often a simplified, older version, typically resembling the classic release. This means you will not find advanced features like survival mode, complex crafting, or a vast array of modern blocks. It is primarily a creative mode experience, perfect for building structures and exploring. Enjoy the simplicity and the nostalgic feel of early Minecraft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.